Business analysts spend too much time collecting, sorting, and connecting information. AI can help handle much of the repetitive analysis work. It can connect information, identify patterns, and surface insights buried inside the data. At Agile Yogi, the focus isn't simply on learning AI. It's on learning how to work effectively with AI in real agile and business environments. AI can help transform scattered information into clearer requirements, workflows, and actionable insights. The data shows a clear opportunity in this segment. I see. What's the key insight? The goal isn't to remove human judgment. It's to give people better information to make better decisions. The future belongs to analysts who know how to combine business thinking with AI. Learn that journey with Agile Yogi.